Understanding the role of a class president. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term, class president. This phrase is commonly used in educational contexts, particularly in schools in English-speaking countries. Let's dive into what it means and its significance. The term, class president, refers to a student elected by their peers to represent their class in student government or council. The class president is responsible for leading class meetings, acting as a liaison between students and faculty, and organizing class events. It's a role that combines leadership, communication, and organization skills. A class president has several key responsibilities. These include representing the class, speaking on behalf of classmates in school meetings, organizing events, planning and overseeing class activities like fundraisers or social events, mediating issues, acting as a mediator between students and teachers if conflicts arise, encouraging participation, motivating classmates to take part in school activities and civic engagements. The role of a class president is important for several reasons. It fosters leadership skills, helps students develop leadership and problem-solving abilities, encourages civic engagement, teaches the importance of being actively involved in community and governance, builds communication skills, enhances the ability to communicate effectively with diverse groups. Becoming a class president usually involves campaigning, presenting ideas to classmates and persuading them to vote, election, going through a voting process where classmates vote for their preferred candidate, active participation, demonstrating a commitment to the class and school activities. I hope this video has helped you understand the term, class president, and its significance in school settings. It's a role that not only contributes to the school's functioning but also helps in shaping future leaders. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.